Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So Apple rolled out the latest update for their Apple devices, that is iOS 14.4.1. So we will see the what are the new updates they have included and what are softwares they have included. So let us go to the general category. In that, about, and under that software updates is there. Click on that software update. It will show the update available to download it. So here we will see how to install the update and what is the update they have included and how the so first we'll see what are the updates they have included in this update and what are the features they have included. So iOS iPad 14 introduces redesigned apps and new Apple Pencil features and other improvements. So redesigned experience. Small, medium and large widget size allows you to pick up the amount of information to display. Widget tags and Apple sidebars have a new look that deliver more of the apps functionality in the main window. So new app toolbars, pop-up overs and pull-down menus make it easier to get to all the controls for an app. So then compact design, search, they have implemented the search and scribble and the note taking with an Apple Pencil. Siri, they have improved a lot more features in the Siri and the messages. In the message also they have improved and memoji. In the memoji also they have improved maps, cycling directions, provide routes along with cyclone layers and home button also they have improved and they have improved the Safari features, that is to browse the internet. Then the AirPods, they have support the AirPods, Apple AirPods and improved their features on this. Then augmented reality, that is AR reality also they have improved it. And app clips, the privacy and accessibility. So app stores they have improved and Apple Arcade, camera, FaceTime, files, keyboard and international music, notes, photos, podcasts, reminders, settings, shortcuts, voice memos. So they have a lot more features in this update. So we will see later once they downloaded and install the update. We will see all these features in this separate video. What are the features they have included in this update? Now I sure I have told that what are the features they have included in this update. So these are the features they have included and see the size of this one is 3.62 GB. So iPad iOS 14.4.1. So let us click on the download and install. So it will add password. So enter the password. It will take the time to prepare it. See, estimated time remaining they have calculating. See now 11 minutes it is showing, about 11 minutes remaining. So let us wait until the download is finished. So we have to wait 10 minutes. So it will depends upon your internet speed. So if you connect to Wi-Fi, it will download it fastly. Wait 8 minutes remaining to download. So iOS 14 introduces a new Apple Pencil features and redesign apps that take advantage of iPad's large multi-touch display. So compact designs for Siri, search, phone calls help you stay focused on the task and intelligent new features like shape recognize and smart selection make note taking even better. so scribble. So these are the features they have improved and lot more in this update. So later we will see these features in full details. Stay followed by video. 6 minutes remaining to download the full update. Just only 5 minutes remaining. So once downloaded, then it will install the update. Yeah, just downloaded. So now the update is preparing to install it. So it will take some few minutes to prepare the update to install once the update is downloaded. See, almost completed. So just only 5% of it is preparing update. So once preparing update is over, then installation process will start. See, almost completed. Just only 1% I think is remaining. So once it completed preparing update, it will start the installation. See, it's downloaded and prepared. Now click on install update. Let us click on install now. So it is verifying the update to install it. Once the verification is done, it will restart and install the update. Now see the device gets restarted to install the update. So during installation, multiple times it will restart. Don't get panic. So it is a normal process only. So see here, the bar is showing that update is installing it. So once this bar is completed till here, so the updation process is completed. So once the updation process is completed, it's again restart and log into the device. See, the bar is moving. So the installation of the update is going on. See, the installation is completed and the device will get restart multiple times during the update. See the Apple logo. Again the process started, but don't worry, it will speed up this time because during the installation of the update it will restart multiple times. See, the update is over. Installation update is over. Let us see the update is completed or not. So let us go to the settings and here settings, about the phone. Here see software version 14.41, iPad 5th generation, some model number. See, network port Geo 45, so capacity 32 GB out of available 16 GB is available. So see, iPad was updated to the latest version. Let us see again. We will check whether update is available or not. If anything update is, see, iPad OS 14.41, your software is up to date. So in recent days, this is the one of the major and big update rolled out by the Apple, because the size of this update is 3.6 GB. But before, in recent days, this is the highest update rolled out by the Apple. So in the next video, we will show the what are the new features they have included in this update, and clearly and full review on the features they have uh, included in this update. So like this, I will provide lot more videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.